Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am XXT, my Archers here, and today we're playing some more Roblox. Today we're playing Phamtom Forces. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. It's been crazy for me. It's been dope. It's been so crazy. I'm legit getting a new dog. By the end of March, I'm getting a new dog. My aunt's dog's mother had babies, and we're buying one. Actually, we're playing Phamtom Forces. Phamtom Forces is the first-person game. The first-person shooter game, and basically, so think of Call of Duty, but on Roblox. One second, I see some guy over there. Thinks he's good at all, because he can camp. But he's not. Oh, that means I'm gonna be down there. Or up here. How? I don't understand. It's the headshot. It's the headshot. The headshot. That's why. Okay, so if I do this, a pow right in the head. I want it to be instant kill, because that's no fair. Look at that. I think this does more damage than a regular Glock in this game. Oh. They didn't think I'd be coming over here. I am. Run, 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 run! Run! No! That gosh dang revolver! As you can see, I've actually gotten worse. I've had 455 deaths, but I do have a lot of. I do have a decent kill. A kill thing above Bobby. Okay, hi. Yeah, they're dead. They should know that someone's coming after them. Oh, didn't think I was coming, eh? I didn't think I would see you there either. Not trying to hide. I would have done. Wait, what? Who's shooting me? Oh, look at That's a great spot. Okay, congrats. I have a great hiding spot. But I mean, like, congrats. So, this is why I don't play this game anymore. But I've started to play again. I realized that it's good to try this game once again. It brings back the memories. Like, literally, this brings back. This is the first ever game I played on Roblox. I'm not even joking. Before tickets got removed, I never like. Here, I'm gonna show you how I started on Roblox. Okay, it's gonna be a short story. So, long story short, I used to go to this program called Kiwanis. I still do to this day, but at my school. And we had this computer lab, and everybody was playing this game called Roblox. I had no clue what it is. I thought it was like a Minecraft, but like better than Minecraft. And turns out it was. I had a really fun time. I was playing like Robloxian Life. Yeah. Is that the Robloxian Life or something like that? What kind of pizza place? And basically, that's when tickets were around. So. You know what tickets are? That's something like Roblox, and they got removed August 24th, 2017. I think I don't see you there. Thank you for that assist, but didn't need it. That would mean he would have came down here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. That's a strong kill. And like later on, like 26, like down 2016. Oh, so yeah, sorry. I messed up the story. So 2013-12, I played Roblox. Like this is like the old update. So this is when tickets are still here. And then if you don't want, like I said, if you don't know what tickets are there, something like Roblox. You should know what Robux is because that's what the basically currency is in Roblox now. And what happened was we went to the computer lab. I had a blast. Like I said, I thought it was similar to Minecraft. And then after like near 2016, like maybe like near the day that tickets got removed, so maybe like near September and August, near when tickets got removed. I went on my iPad, quote unquote my dad's iPad, because at that point I didn't have an iPad. I went on my dad's iPad, I downloaded Roblox, made an account. Here, actually, you know what? I'm gonna show you this account. 1 second, guys. So I'm gonna do something. 1 second. Transition. Whoop. Yeah, that's right, guys. I'm back. So I'll show you this again. So I had the worst account ever. So you know what my name is? My name is Tristan, and this is like long before. So I'll show you my account. So here we go. Upset Gamer Tristan. Now, let's see what this counts. So okay, ready for this? The 11th month, the 22nd day. So this is November the 22nd, 2016. So tickets were still around here. Yeah, tickets are still around here. I've only played like a couple games. I survived one disaster. This is my other account, which I showed them on my other video. And we go to here, you'll see that this account was created in 12th month. So that would have been in December the 1st, 2016. This was the day that I started. I mean, it's sick. I have the braces, and I have these, and I have the man head. I still love this hoverboard. This is like the best. That's the best hoverboard ever. I have this Nike Fire and Ice. And like, if you watch one of my friends' videos, Sonic Rescue Lady, Pokemon Big Runs, you'll see one of the videos called with T-Man. And it was the thumbnail will say RIP, and it'll just have a broken screen. The reason is because I don't have this gun anymore. One day, I'm gonna tell you how I lost this account. So I'm sorry, this would be a Phantom Forces video, but I'm mixing it up. So one day I was on Roblox Studios, or Studio Roblox, whatever, and I was typing my name. I forgot my password, so I just created a new account. And obviously, when that happens, it logs you out of that account because I forgot my password for this. I looked what I put it for. So I was like, log in, yeah, blah blah blah, make my stuff, take the stuff. But school, came back home from school, and got on my little tiny pooper. I turned it on, I flipped up the screen, turned it on, signed in, went to my little home screen, went to Internet Explorer, then I erased this link, and then I was like, Roblox.com, log in, and then I went logged in, I was not on this account anymore! I still legit have like 500 Robux in this account. These are all my favorite games, as you can see. These are all the games I played. 30 Seconds 3. Jeez, mate. I was a noob back then. I'm sorry for all the FNAF fans out there. It's just, I don't really like FNAF anymore. It's not my thing anymore. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it's a short little video, only like 10 minutes. But, let me tell you something. So, today I might be getting Builders Club. Just saying, I know that sounds cringy, but I might be getting Builders Club. So, I'm gonna create a group, I'm gonna make a video about that. So, when I create the group, if you guys join that group and buy, because I'm gonna put this up for sale. Go to here. If you buy this shirt for 5 Robux, I will be doing, every time I post a video, and paying people who bought it recently. So, if you have a Roblox account, search up a group. Oh, like you probably see it in my next video. Search up a group. Search up the group name. Join it. Buy my merch if you have Robux. And yeah, and if not, I'll spend my 5 Robux about buying that shirt. But yeah, so that's gonna be my T-shirt that you guys can buy. And you don't know who this little guy is. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. So you don't know who this little guy is. He's my main character on Roblox. I love him. He's the best. His name is Mr. Alien. Let me think, oh my god, that's a stupid, retarded name. But let me tell you something. I got this item about not 2 years ago. About 2 years ago. And I'm gonna show you where this item was created. So when this item was created, I'm pretty sure I got it. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like a Roblox. Okay, yeah. So when I got this when I got a Roblox card from EB Games in February 2017, I get this. Right here. They have traveled across the universe just to photobomb Earthlings. Get this item when you redeem a Roblox gift card from EB Games in February 2017. So, I don't think anybody else has this. Let's see. I would never delete this thing. This thing is my friend. Like, he's like the best pal to me. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I think I already did another outro, but I mean, this is my final one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Final intro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.